You got to wiggle it past that kind of.
Add another.
Okay. Yep. Okay, hold it. Back out just a hair. Okay, keep going. You're into lint now, but go ahead. Keep going. Give it a wiggle.
Huh?
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, I gotta put another rod.
Okay. And I'm recording this, so. You're gonna wiggle into the elbow. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Back out a little bit more. Okay. At that point, Rich, I don't think you're going to be able to see it. Come on, you got the, what you call up there? Come on down anyway, and I'll show you what you got. This might be flexible. So you got to stop there. You can't go in past that. It's probably flexible. I know. But as you